The first thing you want to do is to get your A4 papers. I'll be using 2 of these A4 papers for all my pages. The first step would be to cut this paper into 2 perfect halves. Take your other card and also fold in halves. Now you want to cut carefully along this place to give you your halves. I've got 4 halves for my pages. Now that you have 4 of them, the next thing we want to do is to start folding. So take one of them like that, first in half, okay, you have that. Now in half again. So fold the other bit in half again. And this is what it should look like, a W or an M. Let's put that aside and go on to the next one. Again, just as we did with the other one, fold in half, make sure they are the same. Take this other bit and again in another half, take the other bit like that and make sure in another half. You have another W or another M. I'm also going to fold this paper like that. Again, fold it in half. Now we're going to fold it into another half. And have this fold it into another half. And you have another W or M again. So fold in half, make sure it's the same. Fold in half, fold it in. There you go. This is half, we fold in half. Again, so we have another W or an M. We have our 4th and final paper, and we're going to fold again in the same way. So this is your paper, into half, take this one backwards, the other bit backwards as well, and or W. And we are going to start gluing them together. I've got my glue stick here. Starting with the first signature. I'm just going to apply a little bit of glue on the edges just to be sure. And now we have the last set to attach, this one. So of my glue on this for my glue stick. I'm putting a lot because the brown cardboard or the brown card stock sometimes can be difficult to glue to each other. So I'm putting a generous amount of so we have them where we want them to be. Now it is time to construct our cover. So we're going to measure using the signatures or the pages. We want it a little bit bigger than the pages, just a little. Oh, this is very thick. So we have our covers. This is from an old journal cover. So, and this would be the cover. So because I really want this cover to stick at once, place it in the middle. Now we'll carefully place this in the middle as well. Now cut your edges. As we wait for our covers to dry up, it is time to decorate our pages. This is going to be the front of my journal, and this will be the back of my journal. So I'm going to be using some cutouts from Dali, Essential Dali. I'm going to do our first page. I'm just placing down things. I'm just gluing things down. So on this page, let's see what goes best. This looks cool with this teeth on this. This lovely blue one, push it right to the inside. So far so good. This is what we've been up to. Or I have that hand signed. Now let's move on to you. The black is, I've got this beautiful butterfly. So we've decorated one side of our no-sew journal. Now press down, press and press the other bits down. My glue stick actually worked better. Okay, at least now I know. So this is the first page, and that's the last page. think the green one is better. Go in with a lot of glue. Make sure it's straight. If it's not, you can still adjust before it dries and becomes too tough. And now I've got my front cover. So front cover. So that's our journal ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe and turn on your notifications. And this is a special shout out to my amazing and supportive community. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate your support and your kind gesture towards me.